House flipping is the process of buying a house, fixing it up, and then selling it for a profit. It's a popular venture for those who enjoy real estate and home renovation. The idea is to purchase a property that needs some work, invest time and money into improving it, and then sell it at a higher price. The goal is to make a profit from the difference between the buying price and the selling price, after accounting for renovation costs and other expenses. It's like taking something old and making it new again. The transformation can be quite dramatic, turning a rundown property into a beautiful, modern home. Lots of people watch it on TV. Shows about house flipping have become very popular, showcasing the entire process from start to finish. These shows often highlight the challenges and rewards of flipping houses. It can be a good way to make money, but it's hard work. Flipping a house requires a lot of physical labor, as well as knowledge about construction and home improvement. Flipping a house takes time and planning. You need to create a detailed renovation plan and stick to a timeline to ensure the project stays on track. You need to find the right house. This means looking for properties that are undervalued or in need of repair, but have the potential to be transformed into desirable homes. You need to budget your money. It's important to have a clear understanding of your finances and to set a realistic budget for the renovation. This includes estimating the cost of materials, labor, and any unexpected expenses that may arise. And you need to know how to fix things. Having some basic knowledge of home repairs and renovations can save you a lot of money and help you avoid costly mistakes. This guide will help you understand house flipping. We'll provide you with tips and strategies to make the process easier and more profitable. We'll cover everything from finding a house to selling it. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will give you the knowledge you need to succeed in house flipping. Let's get started. Finding the right house is important. It's not just about the price or the size, but about the potential it holds for you and your family. A fixer-upper can be a great investment if you know what to look for. You want a house with good bones. This means the house has a solid structure, a good layout, and is built with quality materials. These are the foundations upon which you can build your dream home. This means it's structurally sound. A house with a strong foundation and sturdy framework can withstand the test of time and the elements. It's crucial to ensure that the house you choose doesn't have any major structural issues. Look for houses that need cosmetic work, not major repairs. Cosmetic issues like peeling paint, outdated fixtures, or old carpeting can be easily fixed and can significantly increase the value of the home. Check for problems like roof leaks or foundation cracks. These are red flags that can indicate more serious underlying issues. Fixing these problems can be costly and time-consuming. These problems can be expensive to fix. It's important to factor in the cost of repairs when considering a fixer-upper. Sometimes, what seems like a great deal can turn into a money pit if you're not careful. Get a home inspection to be safe. A professional home inspector can identify potential issues that you might miss. This can save you from unexpected expenses down the line. And remember, location, location, location. Buy a house in a good neighborhood. A great location can make all the difference. Look for areas with well-maintained homes, good amenities, and a strong sense of community. Look for areas with good schools and low crime. These factors not only ensure a better quality of life, but also make the property more attractive to future buyers. These houses are easier to sell. When the time comes to move on, a house in a desirable neighborhood will attract more buyers and can sell faster and for a higher price. Remember, the goal is to buy a house with potential. Look beyond the surface and imagine what the house could become with some work and creativity. You want to see the diamond in the rough. A fixer-upper with good bones in a great location can be transformed into your dream home and a valuable investment. Before you buy a house, set a budget. This is the first and most crucial step in ensuring that your investment is sound and profitable. A well-planned budget will guide you through the entire process, from the initial purchase to the final sale. How much can you afford to spend? This question is fundamental. Assess your financial situation thoroughly. Consider your savings, income, and any loans you might need. It's essential to have a clear picture of your finances before making any commitments. Include the purchase price, renovation costs, and holding costs. These are the primary components of your budget. The purchase price is straightforward, but don't underestimate the renovation costs. They can add up quickly, especially if the house needs significant repairs. Holding costs are expenses while you own the house. These can include mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and utilities. It's important to account for these ongoing expenses, as they can impact your overall profitability. This includes things like property taxes, insurance, and utilities. Don't forget about these. Research the market. Understanding the local real estate market is crucial. It will help you make informed decisions and avoid overpaying for a property. Look at what similar houses are selling for in the area. This will give you a benchmark for pricing your property. Attend open houses, talk to real estate agents, and review online listings to get a sense of the market. This will help you determine your selling price. Knowing the market value of similar properties will guide you in setting a competitive and realistic selling price for your house. A good rule of thumb is the 70% rule. This rule helps investors determine the maximum price they should pay for a property to ensure a profit. Only pay 70% of the after-repair value, ARV, minus the repair costs. The ARV is the estimated value of the property after all repairs and renovations are completed. By following this rule, you can safeguard your investment and maximize your returns. This helps ensure a profit. By carefully budgeting and adhering to these guidelines, you can make informed decisions that lead to successful and profitable real estate investments. Remember, thorough planning and research are the keys to success in the real estate market. Cosmetic updates can make a big difference. These are things like paint, flooring, and fixtures. Fresh paint is a must. Choose neutral colors that appeal to most buyers. Update the flooring with something durable and affordable. Replace outdated fixtures. Think new cabinet hardware, light fixtures, and faucets. These small changes can make a big impact. Section 5. Structural integrity, foundations and framing. While cosmetic updates are important, don't neglect the structure. Make sure the foundation is solid. Repair any cracks or damage, inspect the framing, look for signs of water damage or termites. These issues need to be addressed by a professional. A safe and sound structure is essential. Don't cut corners when it comes to the bones of the house. Section 6. Kitchen and bathrooms, worth the investment. Kitchens and bathrooms sell houses. These rooms are important to buyers. Focus on making them functional and appealing. You don't need a complete gut renovation. Sometimes, simple updates are enough. Paint cabinets, update countertops, and install new appliances. In the bathroom, consider a new vanity, mirror, and lighting. These changes can make a big difference without breaking the bank. Section 7. Curb appeal and landscaping. First impressions matter. Curb appeal is the first impression of your house. Make it count. Mow the lawn, trim the bushes, and plant some flowers. Power wash the siding and walkways. Paint the front door a bright color. Make sure the house numbers are visible. Add some outdoor lighting for a welcoming touch. Section 8. Marketing your masterpiece. Showcasing the potential. Once the house is ready, it's time to sell. Take high-quality photos that highlight its best features. Write a compelling description that emphasizes the updates. List the house on online platforms. Consider hiring a real estate agent. Spread the word through social media. Host an open house to attract potential buyers. Section 9. Closing the deal. Negotiating and selling. Be prepared to negotiate with buyers. They may make offers below your asking price. Decide what you're willing to accept. Have all the necessary paperwork in order. This includes disclosures and inspection reports. Be transparent about the work done on the house. Once you accept an offer, work with your closing agent to finalize the sale. Congratulations, you flipped a house. Section 10. Tips from the pros. Navigating the flip. House flipping isn't easy, but it can be rewarding. Here are a few tips for beginners. Start small. Don't take on too much for your first flip. Do your research. Understand the market and the process. Get help when needed. Don't be afraid to hire contractors for tasks you're not comfortable with. Be patient. It takes time to find the right property and complete a flip. Remember, the goal is to buy low, sell high, and make a profit.